Today, we'll be discussing symptoms caused by plant pathogenic bacteria. Bacterial diseases are plant illnesses caused by microscopic bacteria that enter plants through natural openings or wounds. While less common than fungal diseases, they can be destructive, causing a variety of symptoms such as bacterial spots, cankers, blights, wilts, scabs, galls, or rots. So today we'll be discussing all these symptoms one by one. So first we'll start with the bacterial spots. Bacterial spots are the types of bacterial diseases on plants that appear as spots. Include bacterial spots, bacterial leaf spot, angular leaf spot, and bacterial speck. So these diseases caused by bacteria such as Xanthomonas and Pseudomonas and can affect various plants including tomatoes, peppers, beans, and brassica, leading to symptoms like small dark spots, often with a yellow halo on leaves and fruits. Common types of bacterial spots like bacterial leaf spot. Just look at this first picture. This term broadly describes spots on leaves. You can see here small spots on the leaves caused by various bacteria, often in the gender Pseudomonas and Xanthomonas. Then just look at the second picture, angular leaf spot. This disease is named for the angular shaped spots caused by various bacteria. Typically, these type of the spots form on leaves. For instance, Pseudomonas syringae causes angular leaf spots in cucurbits. Then bacterial speck, similar to bacterial spot but often characterized by smaller spots. Bacterial specks such as that caused by Pseudomonas syringae on tomatoes. Just look at this third picture. It's another form of uh, just bacterial leaf spot. Next is cankers. Bacterial canker is a plant disease, not a single condition, affecting various plants from stone fruits to vegetables, caused by bacteria like Pseudomonas syringae. Symptoms vary by host, but typically include cankers, means dead sunken area on stems, then wilting, dieback, leaf spotting, and potentially fruit spots. The bacteria spread through contaminated tools, wind, rain, and infected plant material. Symptoms depend on host plant, and it can include cankers. Cankers means sunken dead areas on stem, twigs, or branches. Just look at this first picture. That may ooze a sticky, sour smelling sap. Then leaf tissues, patches means dead patches that fall out, leaving short holes, and leaf wilting, yellowing, and firing. Twigs and branches die back. General wilting often form a systemic infection and disrupting water flow. Then fruit spots. Just look at this third picture on tomatoes. And canker can cause bird's eye spots on fruits. Then next is bacterial blights. Bacterial blight is a plant disease caused by various Xanthomonas bacteria, such as Xanthomonas oryzae, Xanthomonas axonopodis, uh, and also Pseudomonas syringae. It manifests as water-soaked angular and yellow to brown spots on leaves that can coalesce into larger um, necrotic areas, often causing stunting and defoliation. So disease spread through uh, infected seeds, wind, then wind-blown rain, and irrigation water, etc. Bacterial blight refers to several diseases with varying types, including common bacterial blight, halo blight, bacterial brown spot, and bacterial leaf blight. So these diseases are caused by different bacterial species, and symptoms vary by host, but often includes lesions, spots, wilting, and yellowing on leaves and other plant parts. Just look at this first picture showing common bacterial blight symptoms on leaf. So you can see here small spots on the leaves and caused by Xanthomnas campestris. It affects a wide range of bean and related plants. Second type, halo blight. Halo blight is a bacterial disease most notably affecting beans and characterized by small angular water-soaked spots. Just look at this picture. Angular water-soaked spots on leaves and pods that are surrounded by light green or yellow halo. This yellow ring is a sign of toxic substance produced by bacteria, and under humid conditions, a greasy bacterial ooze may also be present. Next, fire blight. Fire blight is a devastating bacterial disease caused by Erwinia species that primarily affect fruit trees like apple, pears, as well as other rosaceae family plants. It appears as a scorching or burning of leaf. I can see here in this picture. Then burning of not only leaves but flowers and shoots, which then wilt and die. So the disease is spread by splashing rain, insects, and is also favored by warm, humid condition. Then bacterial brown spot, another bacterial blight of beans caused by Pseudomonas rengi. Then bacterial leaf blight of rice, so caused by Xanthomonas oryzae, and is a significant disease affecting rice crops worldwide. Next is bacterial wilts and bacterial scabs. Bacterial wilt is a destructive plant disease, uh, means bacterial disease that block the plant's vascular system, leading to rapid wilting and plant death. Just look at this picture. Symptoms include leaves wilting during the day and recovering at night, eventually causing the entire plant to collapse. The bacteria, which are often transmitted by insects like cucumber beetles in cucurbits or enter through root wounds in solanaceous plants, survive in the soil and plant debris. Then bacterial scabs. Bacterial scabs in plants, such as common scab of potatoes, just look at this picture, are caused by soil-dwelling bacteria like Streptomyces scabies. So symptoms appear on root crops and include raised or pitted corky. Just look at this diagram. These are the symptoms. Corky dark brown lesions. So the disease thrives in warm, dry, alkaline soils, and it can be managed by using scab-resistant plant varieties. So the common symptoms are brown, crusty, corky, or pitted lesions develop on fruits, tubers, leaves, or stems, depending on the plant. Next is soft rots of roots, storage organs, and fruits. Bacterial rot is a destructive disease that causes plant tissues to become soft, watery, slimy, and often foul smelling due to bacteria that produce enzymes to break down cell walls. So, common culprits for this disease include uh, Lactobacterium species, which thrive in fleshy plant part like fruits, vegetables, and tubers, and spreading through wounds. And symptoms of this disease include wilting, discoloration, water soaked lesion, and slimy decay that can occur both in the field and in storage. This disease actually uh, attacks succulent tissues, including fleshy roots and tubers like potato. Just look at this diagram. And bulbs, corms, rhizomes, fruits like tomatoes and squash, melons, and succulent stems and buds. Just look at this last item. This is bacterial ring rot. So this is a destructive potato disease caused by bacterium Clavibacter, leading to severe yield losses worldwide. It primarily infects the potato vascular ring and causing wilting and yellowing on growing plants, and is a characteristic cheesy or creamy ooze and rot in tubers. So this disease spread through infected seed tubers and contaminated equipment with no chemical cure, and making prevention through the certified seeds and strict sanitation. Bacterial root rot. It causes plant roots to die, and roots turn brown or black and become soft. And this disease is often caused by lack of oxygen in the soil, which damages roots and make them susceptible to bacterial pathogen. Some bacteria, like Lactobacterium and Erwinia, it infect plant stem. Just look at this diagram, and causing water-soaked, slimy, and discolored lesions that can lead to wilting and then grasp. Next is bacterial crown gall. The primary bacterial gall disease in plant is crown gall, caused by bacterium Agrobacterium tumefaciens. It leads to abnormal tumor-like outgrowths. Just look at this diagram. Tumor-like outgrowth or galls on the roots and stem of affected woody and herbaceous plants. The bacterium enters plants through wounds, insert its DNA into the host cells, and causes them to proliferate uncontrollably, creating the characteristic galls. In the early stages, small outgrowths can be seen, but in severe cases, especially in young plants, the disease can cause stunting. Thank you.